Welcome to Condense. In this quick tutorial, we'll explore how you can manage workspace details within the Condense app. To begin, navigate to Settings and select Workspace Details. Here, you'll see a complete list of all your workspaces that have been created. Clicking on any workspace will let you view all the members currently associated with it. To edit workspace details, click on the Edit option. Here, you can update information such as the workspace name, description, or icon. If you need to delete a workspace, select the Delete option. For security, Condense will ask you to confirm this action by typing the exact text displayed on the screen. After confirmation, your workspace will be permanently deleted. You can easily search for a specific workspace using the search bar provided. If there are any workspaces that match the text provided, the workspace will be displayed after filtering from the list of workspaces. That's it. You're all set to effectively manage your workspaces within Condense. As always, if you have any questions or need assistance, our support team is ready to help.